Hi, my name's Tom and I'm part of the marketing team here at EKM. Now in this video I'm going to go over everything that got released on EKM during October, so if you're an EKM customer definitely stick around and watch the full video to make sure you keep up to date. Okay, so before we get into the main part of the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you hit the bell icon, you'll get notifications as soon as we post any new videos that could be of importance to you and your online business. So first of all, we're introducing Laybuy. So this is a new innovative buy now, pay later alternative. Now Laybuy allows your customers to pay in a way that works for them. So they can pay in 6 easy weekly installments, interest free, giving your customer the power and flexibility they want. Now this is definitely a great time to add this payment method to your shop for customers to check out with, especially with Black Friday, Cyber Monday and the Christmas season coming up. Now you can find out more and install Laybuy by navigating to the payment section on your EKM shop. You can also head to support.ekm.com to read the guide on how to install Laybuy. Or finally, you can get in touch with us and speak to our payment specialist Wayne for some advice. Also during October, we redesigned the missing pages report. So we have now updated the way our missing pages report looks to ensure that EKM shop owners have all the information and tools they need to make sure their shop is running smoothly. Now, this new design feature makes it even easier to understand which parts of your shop need some work and which are fully optimized. So you can actually access this missing pages report within the analytics tab on your EKM shop. Lastly, there was also an update to the EKM app. So the EKM app has been updated and now allows EKM shop owners more flexibility whilst on the go. So some of the changes to the app include adding a delivery name to the order, adding a customer's email address to the order, and also the order search now searches the whole order, not just the order number. And that's everything for October's platform update review. As always, we will have more features coming to the EKM platform this month, so make sure you are following us across our social media platforms so that you're the first to hear about them. Now you can also view previous month's platform updates by visiting the link in the description or our profile bio.